Now we are going with the next question, the question number 4. Now this question will help you to learn about the minimum, maximum and index function of Excel. Now the minimum function of the Excel will return the minimum value from the table array. The maximum will return the maximum value, and the index option will match with the certain columns and will return the values accordingly. Now let's go with the first question. We have this table with the columns funds, parents funds and maximum gain. We are going to calculate basically the minimum, maximum and index. Now the first question says that maximum gain. Now we have the column maximum gain and loss, right? We have the column with the gain and loss. So from this column, what they are suggesting us, they have asked us to calculate the maximum gain. So basically what we have done, you can see the colorful things. We have gone with the option called as a conditional formatting, and with this we have choose this first option, and with this option we have understood certain things like the red thing which is mentioned over here is showing the loss, and dark green is showing the gain. Now if you have noticed, if you have observed this table, the dark green is mentioned over here, right? So this is a maximum gain which the Kanta has earned from this table. Now we have one more option to calculate the maximum from this particular thing. We will use the function called as is equal to max for maximum, then open bracket, select the table array and close it, then enter. You'll get the maximum. If you will notice, these two figures are the same. Done. Okay, let's move for the next. Now we have the next question, fund maximum gain or loss. Now what the words they have used, fund maximum. We have fund maximum and gain and loss ka column. Done. Now we'll go with the fund wala column. Now this column and this column, the matching will be gain from this particular column. ये दोनों में से हम लोगों को देखना है किसका मैक्सिमम गेन है, ठीक है. So now we have the formula called as a index, and index will match with the another column. Now let's see the formula. Now this formula says that is equal to index from which data A3 to A12. We have selected this range. Now we want the name of the person who is earning the maximum, ठीक है. सो मुझे हम लोगों को पता है यहाँ पे 98 मैक्सिमम नंबर है, मैक्सिमम गेन है, एंड उसका नाम जो है वो कांता है. बट व्हेन यू विल हैव द ह्यूज डेटा, अगर बहुत बड़ा डेटा रहेगा तो उसमें से काउंट करना और कैलकुलेट करना डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाएगा. सो वी हैव दिस ऑप्शन इज इक्वल टू इंडेक्स. व्हाट वी नीड फंड्स. व्हाट? मैक्सिमम फंड्स, राइट? मैक्सिमम फंड्स. So we have used the function is equal to index in bracket A3 to A12, done, A3 to A12, comma, match with which bracket? Maximum. We need a maximum from which column? From C3 to C12, done. Again comma C3 to C12 comma 0. अगर कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है तो we will get the answer as 0. Close the bracket and close the bracket once again. With this you will get the with this you will get the name of the person who is earning the maximum gain. Next we have the parents funds, done. Parents funds, maximum gain or loss. Now we have the column which where we have mentioned parents fund, done. Now again the maximum, हम लोगों को पता है, यहाँ पे देखा था हम लोगों ने 98 इज़ अ मैक्सिमम नंबर, एंड उसके करस्पॉन्डेंस में वी हैव टू सेल्स, दैट इज़ द कांता एंड एच. नाउ दिस एच नीड्स टू बी रिटर्न ओवर हियर, डन. वी नीड अ वैल्यू ऑफ द एच. अब एच की वैल्यू मिलने के लिए अगेन फर्स्ट वी नीड टू सेलेक्ट दिस कॉलम, एंड ट्वाइस वी आर गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट this column, this table array. Done. How this formula will reflect? Let's see. Is equal to index B3 to B12, B3, B3 to B12, then comma, match with maximum from this column, C3 to C12, bracket complete, comma, again C3 to C12, and if not, then 0 will be written, bracket complete twice. Twice we are going to close the bracket. As we have open over here, this bracket has already closed, and we have two things to close, so twice we have closed the bracket. Done. With this we will get the index of correspondence value. Next we have minimum. Minimum easy. The way we have done maximum, again we have minimum function. Minimum function will return the minimum value from the table array. If you have noticed, 39 minus 39,234 is a minimum figure from this table array, and which we have written. Now we have funds minimum. Now we need a funds, the one who is earning the lesser funds. ठीक है, तो अगर हमने यहाँ पे देखा है तो नीता नाम शुड बी रिटर्न. ये है हमारा सबसे कम अर्न करने वाला पर्सन. डन. नाउ let's check the function which we have used. Is equal to index in bracket, again from A3 to A12, comma, match with minimum from this table array, comma, again this, and if not, then 0. Done. Now we need a parents fund from this. Again the same, index is equal to index from B3 to B12, match with minimum from C3 to C12, comma, C3 to C12 again, comma, 0, and twice we are going to complete the bracket. So these are the three functions we have learned, that is minimum, maximum, and index. Done. This is our maximum, this is minimum, and this is a formula for the index. I hope you have understood. If not, twice check the video once again.